See, this is FND speaker. This is 2.0, means 2.0 speaker. So I will open up this one for you. Here you can see this is the look. It is 2 speaker. And this is the volume control. Okay. This is the second speaker. And here is the 2 connection. One is the USB and another one is 3.5 mm jack for the audio output. So this we need to connect. This is not detachable. There are many speaker available in market which you can disconnect and use the one speaker only, and you can disconnect the second. But in this you cannot disconnect the 2 speaker. You need to use 2 at a time. So little bit you can say weight and size will be more compared to other FND and creative speaker, but the audio output and audio quality is bit okay compared to the price. So I will show you the audio clarity of this speaker. Now I am connecting this to USB. So this is the USB port. You can see over here USB, USB, USB. These are the 3 USB port available over in this my laptop. This is HP laptop 8840 laptop with fingerprint detection and everything. So I will connect my USB speaker with this. This is the USB connection over here. So I just connected this USB connection, and this one is 3.5 mm jack connection over here. So I will connect this over here, and once I will connect, you can see the power LED is blinking, is glowing. So I can increase the sound. Okay, so here from here also you can take the sound or you can get the output. So I will connect over here and I will play some good song for you where you can observe the voice clarity.
Party season is here, and every girl wants to look party perfect. I'm going to show.
So I think the voice clarity is bit okay compared to the price. Here this one is available in around 600 or 800 rupees of bucks. So you can easily get this in 800 rupees and you can enjoy this clarity. So compared to creative, which is available around in 900, this is a bit cheaper than creative, and with expected sound clarity is good and sufficient with the laptop. You can watch any song as well as you can watch any movie. Suppose it may be the English movie, then still the sound. Now many things will be available in online. Actually you can buy from the Flipkart or Snapdeal, where it is very much cheaper, and it is available around in 5 to 700 of rupees. You can easily get this speaker. So I think it is sufficient clarity with sufficient sound. You can watch movie with clear dialogues. In if you're watching English movie or Hindi movie, you can easily get the what they are speaking. If the audio clarity of your laptop is bit less, then it will be difficult to understand the clear what the dialogue they are speaking. So I think you can buy this speaker and you can enjoy the voice. Thanks for watching. Bye.